Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change age on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll down and click on report a problem. And once you are on that page of report a problem, so here you can see that account and profile. Once you are on account and profile, you simply need to click on editing profile and click on others, and here you need to mention to the TikTok team that I mistakenly, you simply need to click on first no and click on need more help, and here you need to explain the issue to the TikTok team that by mistaken I mentioned my wrong date of birth, and if you have an ID proof you can provide that, and click on report, and the TikTok team will contact you within 24 to 48 hours and they will resolve your issue and help you change your date of birth on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.